Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Rudy here with Woodyard, and this is a little update in late November 2023 out of the Woodyard for our firewood operations and sales. So I just want to give you a quick update here what's going on, and inventory wise and operation wise and all that good stuff. So let me swing you around. As you can see here, this is our very well seasoned aspen poplar mix. We have about, let's say, like roughly 7 to 8 full cords stacked here. Then we have here, this is like a cord of spruce pine tamarack. This guy here, not a full cord yet. And this is our hardwood mix here. We are a little bit short on seasoned supply, I should say. While I'm up here, I'm going to show you the recent delivery on spruce logs. These are all like almost 14 foot each. And these were like 3.5 dump trailer loads that I just purchased the other day. That was like storm damage. They're completely fine, but so no bugs and stuff, just storm damage. So that should be a dump trailer, 3.5 loads, all those guys here. And let me say that here. So here we have our temporary station for hardwood right now. And these need to be reprocessed. They are either like too chunky or they're like a little bit too long. So we cut at 16.5. So they're like, they were initially cut a little bit too long here. Or they have like little branches sticking out that needs to be taken off. Like this guy here. And then we have, these are like odds and ends of rounds, mostly poplar, I would say. So big rounds and smaller rounds. So some may be split into regular firewood, some may be going for like portable fire, smokeless fire pits like solo stove and stuff. Here we have seasoned poplar and aspen again. This is our bagged premium quality for bagging. Everything with bark we sell in bulk. Everything without bark goes into bags. Again here, these have to be split. And this is like our hardwood mix. 4 rounds, I have to split this up. So we are, some of it is pretty seasoned, but it's in 4 rounds, obviously, so maybe not quite ready yet to burn. We have more aspen poplar there and a whole chunk load of more poplars, mostly poplars, some aspen, already bucked up in 16-inch rounds. They just have to be split now. That's our Wallenstein or Wallenstein splitter here. This here is mostly spruce, I would say, already bucked. Now we are just about getting this one done for splitting. I actually did this just yesterday. Beautiful wood, love it. Although some rounds were like pretty naughty, so quite a bit of waste, as you can see. So here, down there, we have more ultra premium, bark-free spruce pine tamarack, ready to be bagged. And this one here was done yesterday out of those rounds there. This is like some beautiful wood. Let me grab this. This is like, I have a little snow on here. This is like super nice, straight, pretty straight and small to handle, good to handle, good for bags. And you wonder what's in those totes here. 2 totes overflowing with like seemingly scrappy stuff. Not so fast, guys, not so fast. This is meant to be processed into sizes suitable for the smokeless fire pits, like solar stove and what you have. So that is basically just here for a catch-all for now. Here we have like super seasoned spruce trees or logs, so they actually really need to be split. Then again here, so all this stuff here is our wood that is somewhat dedicated for the smokeless fire pit stuff. I still have to go through them because we only sell them in bags, so all this stuff that being sold needs to be bark free. Obviously not all of this is bark free, so this may be for special sale. Excuse me. Yeah, so this is kind of like our staging grounds for like sorting things out and stuff. It's not fully optimized, the process yet. Here, probably not really for sale. This is like little branch wood. This is just garbage, ditch wood, I call it. Now this guy here is like a boiler wood, so to speak. This is like really chunky stuff, naughty stuff, and just kind of like really weird sizes. Now this is from a load that I purchased as a hardwood mix. I was not very happy with this load because this is like too much waste that I had to pay for. I did tell the guy I want 16 inches regular firewood. Obviously, or apparently, the communication was not clear. So I paid for scrappy stuff. Not fun, not cool. Here, not sure what I'm gonna do with my kindlings. Nice kindlings. I actually need to build a little catch container compartment thingy for those things, because they tend to fall over because they're like so super light. Any wind gust will blow them off. Anyways, that is it for the Woodyard for now. Late November 2023. I hope so. You see very little snow, just a skiff of snow on the ground, which is very unusual. It's quite mild. Anyways, what I really need to get done to before winter comes is clean up the the Woodyard, and more specifically, hopefully building a little container for my kindling, and also at least buck up those spruce logs here. They're a little punky actually, and those aspen logs in there in the tall grass. And then again I finish that little stash of spruce logs over there. They're like seasoned already. And then bag up some more of the barkless spruce pile there and put it into our new Lean-On. And then I probably should get going on some of that on that poplar stuff, especially the stuff that has been there for too long. And ideally, if I get to it, that row of hardwood. So plenty to do, and hopefully the weather holds. But who knows? Could change any day. You may have seen another video already, or like in the future, about my nice little Lean-On here. That's for holding the bags ready to grab whenever an order comes in. So I'll link the video up here so you can watch what is all this about. Anyway, so out of the Woodyard, here Rudy with your yard service. If you have any questions, comments for our firewood operation, comment below. Give us a call, 780-218-8134, or check out our website for firewood orders, youryardservice.com, firewood for sale. On and out. Talk to you later, and I will swing you right to the finish line, which will be in this stack.